Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back. We are in day 3, I believe, of this week. All the days are running together. So remember, when we work later on, you're going to need a dry erase board and a marker. Or if you can't find your board and marker, get a piece of paper and a pencil. That works just fine too. So we're going to get started this morning with our oral blending. And I'm going to say some words like a turtle, nice and slow, and I want you to say it out loud to see if you can guess what word I'm saying. We're just getting our brains warmed up. Are you ready? Let's do this. All right. Here's our first word. A. A. What is the word I am saying? Did you say? Yes, very good. Here's our next one. Ready? At. At. What word am I saying? At. Fat. Good. Here's our next one. Cut. Cut. What's the word? Cut. Good. And the last one for today. N. Ooh, I heard 4 sounds on that word. And. And. What's the word? Went. Yes. Catching those 4 sounds, those 4 separate sounds, are a little more tricky than doing 2 and 3. All right, so let's move on this week. We are working with our vowels and making sure that we pay attention to the middle sound when we're blending and sliding through our words, because that also plays a role on what the word is. So today, what I noticed, boys and girls, the last couple of days that I was blending with you, with the words all in one line, my pointer wasn't really showing up, and it was kind of confusing and hard, in my opinion, hard to see that what we were trying to blend. So I spread them apart today. We're still going to get rid of the words that aren't real words, but hopefully with them being spread apart, it's a little bit easier for you to slide through the sounds. Are you ready? All right, so our first one, I noticed that the sound has an A. A says ah. Right? All right, let's get our voice ready and slide to those sounds. Here we go. Turn your voice on. T, app. Try it one more time. T, app. Say it out loud so your ears can hear it and it goes to your brain. Did you say tap? Yeah, tap your head. So is that a real word? Absolutely, it is a real word. Good. All right, let's move on to our next one. I see the vowel E. Remember, E says E says E says Let's slide to the sounds. Turn your voice on and catch that first sound. Ready? T, Try it again. T, Tap. Is that a real word? Wah, wah. No, it is not. So I am just going to move it over here out of the way, as that is not a real word. Good. All right, let's move down to our next one. Ready? I see the vowel I. What does I say? I says I says I says Good. Let's slide to the sounds. Here we go. Tip. Do it again. Tip. One more time. Tip. What's the word? Tip. Yes. So there's lots of meanings for tip, because that's a real word, right? It sure is. Tip in your chair. I left a tip for my waiter or waitress. So I'm going to give you a tip, which means give you just like a little suggestion on something. So yes, that's a real word. And I'm going to move our real word up next to tap. So we have a nice list of all of the words that are real words together. All right. Our next word has the vowel U. U says U says U says I'm going to slide through those sounds and make sure I really hear them and push them all together. Ready? T, up. Try it again. T, up. One more time. Tup. Tup. Is tup a real word? No. Tup is not a real word. Very good. All right, I'm going to move tup over here. All right, and we have one last word. Oops, sorry. One last word to slide through the sounds. Here we go. I see the vowel O. O says ah. O says ah. O says ah. Good. Here we go. Tap. One more time. Last one. Top. Is top a real word? Yes. Put your hands on top of your head. Awesome job. All right, I'm going to move top over with our real word list, and I just want us to read through all of these real words one more time. You ready? Tap, tip, top. Good. All the beginning sounds are the same. All the ending sounds are the same. The only thing that changes on these words are those vowel middle sounds, which also we have to pay close attention to when we're good readers. Okay, because you're all good readers. It is time for you to get your dry erase board and marker. You know the routine. I have to grab mine. If you need to press pause to go ahead and get yours, please do. And we will get started. All right. Here we go. I want you to write 2 letters on your board that say up. So what 2 letters would say up? Go ahead and write it. Up. 2 letters that say up. All right, I'm going to show my board. Remember, the beauty of the video is you just press pause and you finish what you need to do, and then you come back and join us and press play. Ready? Here's what I have. Is that what you had? Up. Good. All right. Now I want you to add 1 letter to the word to make the word pup. Pup. So where do you have to add that letter to hear the word pup? Pup. You already have up, so you're just adding 1 letter to the word for pup. All right, boys and girls, what I'm going to show you right now is wrong, but I'm going to show you how you can check yourself, okay? So I'm going to hold my board up, and I'm going to check myself to see if I am right. This is not right, so please do not change your board, but watch. I decided to add the P to the end of the word. I thought that I heard it at the end. So if I slide through these sounds, because you can always check yourself, up, up. Is that the word pup? Is that what I'm looking for? No. So I'm going to erase that, and now I'm going to try to move it into a different place. I'm going to put it at the beginning of the word. Now I'm going to slide through those sounds and see if I have the word pup. Ready? Pup, up, pup. Yes, that makes sense. So now that you are good readers, all you have to do is slide through those sounds and check to see if you're right or if you're wrong. All right, I want you to change a letter to turn pup into pop. I want it to say pop. So I have up. I want it to say pop. What letter do I have to change for pop? I'm going to show you. You ready? Did you say the O? The U has to become an O. Yes, let's slide to the sounds and check it. Ready? Pop. Pop. Good. Now change pop to pot. Ooh, what has to change now? Pot. What do I have to change now? I want pop to say pot. Are you ready? Press pause if you're not. I'm flipping my board. Here we go. I have pot. Pot. Good. I want pot to say hot. Change pot to hot. What has to happen? This has to go away. Good. And what do I have to add? Are you ready? All right, I'm going to show you. Here's the word hot. Good. All right, I want hot to say hop. What do I have to change now? Hop. What needs to change? Did you say the T? Very good. What does it have to become? Ready? I'm going to flip my board. Hot now is hop. Very good. All right, ready? Put your thinking caps on. I want you to add a letter to hop to make it say chop. Ooh, I hear a digraph at the beginning. Chop. What 2 letters say ch? Don't erase anything, just add something to make hop. Say chop. Are you ready? Dun, da, da, da. Did you say CH? CH says ch. Good. Chop. And last change for the day. Change chop to chip. Chip. What has to change? Change chop to chip. Check yourself. Chip. Oh, what has to change? O has to go away. And what do I have to put there? I'm going to show my board. Are you ready? Did you say I? Yes. Chip. Good. All right, kiddos, that's it for today. We're going to keep working and plugging away at this and keep practicing it so it gets in our brains and we are so fluent at this that we don't even have to think twice about it. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.